Samsung is making headlines once again, and this time it's about the much-anticipated One UI 8 beta program, now live and based on Android 16. What's catching everyone's attention is that the rollout has started earlier than expected, giving Galaxy users something to look forward to sooner than usual. This could be a sign that Samsung is taking software updates more seriously after a rocky experience with the previous version. The beta program has officially started in South Korea, with the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra being the first to receive the update. If you're a user of one of these devices and live in South Korea, you can sign up right now. But if you're not in that region, there's no need to feel left out. Samsung usually expands its beta programs to countries like Germany, the United Kingdom, and the United States shortly after the initial release. So if you're in one of those countries, keep an eye on your notifications because your turn might come very soon. The firmware version for this beta is S9X8 NKSU3 Zyre, and if you're using the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the update requires roughly 3.3 GB of space. This may vary depending on your specific device model. The beta also includes the May 2025 security patch, which helps protect your phone while you're testing the new features. Now, why is this early launch such a big deal? If you remember the rollout of One UI 7, things didn't go very smoothly. That update was filled with delays, unpredictable schedules, and more than a few bugs. Many users had to wait months, only to find issues when the update finally arrived. Samsung even had to pause the rollout at one point to fix major problems. This time, launching the beta program early may be a sign that Samsung wants to avoid repeating those mistakes and is aiming for a more stable and timely update. As for what's new, One UI 8 doesn't completely change the look of your phone. Unlike the major design changes in One UI 7, this version focuses more on smaller improvements that make the overall experience better. Users can expect smoother animations, faster system performance, improved battery management, and quicker response times. These updates might not be flashy, but they're meant to make your phone feel more polished and easier to use day to day. Early testers have mentioned that the system feels faster and more stable already, even though Samsung hasn't released the full changelog yet. If you're interested in trying out the beta, here's how you can join. First, open the Samsung Members app on your device. You'll need to be logged in with your Samsung account. Once you're in, look for the banner that mentions the One UI 8 beta program and tap it. Follow the instructions to register your phone. After that, go to Settings, then Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. Once the installation is complete, your phone will reboot and you'll be running the beta version. It's important to remember that beta versions aren't perfect. You might run into bugs, certain apps might not work properly, and your phone could behave differently than usual. If your phone is essential for work or other daily needs, it might be better to wait for the stable version. But if you enjoy trying new features before everyone else and want to help improve the software, joining the beta could be a good move. Looking ahead, Samsung is expected to release 4 to 6 beta updates before launching the final version. The goal is to complete testing and release the official stable One UI 8 update by the end of 2025. On top of that, Samsung has confirmed that the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 will come with Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box. What do you think? Will you be trying out the beta version or waiting for the final release? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.